Contribution of Mughals. The Mughal administration. The emperor possessed all civil and military powers. His judgment was final in all matters. The empire was divided into provinces or subas, districts or sarkars, and taluks or paraganas. The Kotwa looked after law and order in the cities. Revenue system. Akbar's minister Raja Todarmal framed the land revenue system. Under the system, the land revenue was fixed on the basis of the fertility of the soil. Literature. The Mughals patronized Persian literature in a special way. There were famous historians like Abul Fazl, Nizamuddin, and Badauni in Akbar's court. Akbarnama is an important literary work of Abul Fazl. Dhara Shikoh, the Mughal prince, was an extraordinary scholar. He translated the Bhagavad Gita. Though Hindi literature did not receive royal patronage, it flourished on account of the efforts of the Bhakti saints. Ramacharitamanasa, the well-known work of Tulsidas, is of this breed. Architecture. Humayun's tomb in Delhi was constructed during the early period of Akbar's reign. He built a new capital near Agra and named it Fatehpur Sikri. The magnificent palaces, mosques, and pavilions of this place attract tourists from all over the world. The entrance to the Jami Masjid or Buland Darwaza here is the tallest in India. It is 40 meters tall. The Mughal architecture attained its glory during the reign of Shah Jahan. Moti Mahal, the palace that he built in Agra Fort, is extremely beautiful. The Taj Mahal at Agra shows Mughals architecture at its best. This wonderful monument was built in memory of his queen Mumtaz. There are tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz in this mausoleum. It was Shah Jahan who got the famous Red Fort built at Delhi. Painting. A new school of painting emerged during the period of the Mughals. There were more than 100 artists in Akbar's court. The art of painting reached its peak under the patronage of Jahangir. Aurangzeb, who was orthodox in outlook, did not encourage painting. Music. Music received special patronage during Akbar's reign. The large number of musicians in his court were divided into 7 groups. Each day, a particular group gave a music recital. Tansen was the most remarkable musician of Akbar's court. Jahangir and Shah Jahan also extended patronage to music, but Aurangzeb banned music. However, music lingered in the hearts of people. The decline of the Mughal Empire. The empire began to decline towards the end of Aurangzeb's reign. The reasons for the decline are: the chieftains became corrupt, intense fighting to the throne, The provincial governors took advantage of the situation and declared their independence. Aurangzeb's desire to convert India into an Islamic state met with opposition everywhere. The prolonged warfare with the Sikh, Rajputs, and the Marathas fully exhausted the resources of the empire. In the meanwhile, Nadir Shah, a Persian invader, raided Delhi. He looted the wealth. He carried away the world famous Kohinoor diamond and the peacock throne of Shah Jahan. The treasury of the Mughals became empty. Thank you.